Today I want to talk about surface dwellers. So there's a type of lawn care operator out there who's been in business for 3 to 5 years and is somehow still stuck in year one. No progress. And it's not because he or she is lazy. Not because he or she is bad at cutting grass, but because he's what I call a surface dweller. And by the end of this video, I'm going to, you're going to know exactly if you are one of these guys and exactly how to stop it. Okay? So I'm going to tell you exactly what it is and how to stop it. All right. So I know you're trying to like, Johnny, what the heck is a surface dweller? Okay, so a surface dweller is somebody who's been actively in the business for years, but never actually gone deep into it, right? He or she shows up every day. The truck is moving, the trailer's loaded. He or she is grinding, right? They're out there grinding, doing their thing, but they never dug deep into the stuff that actually build a real business, right? Same low prices as year one, same scattered route all over, 3 zip codes, driving 45 minutes to point A, 30 minutes to point B, so on and so forth. Same bad customers where they are scared to fire the customers. So they're not moving forward, just staying busy on the surface. Make sense? So busy and built are two different things. So a surface dweller confuses the two. Okay, so let's get an example, right? Picture this guy. 20 lawns a week, driving 45 minutes between some of them because he took everyone and said yes, no matter where it was. He charges, let's say, $25 a cut because he's scared if you raise it, they'll leave. He's got a customer who pays him late every single freaking time, and he still show up because he doesn't want to lose the account. He's tired, exhausted every single day, and it's not because the work is hard, it's because he's fighting the business instead of running it. That's a surface dweller, okay? Motion without depth. So you gotta have some depth, man. So here are 3 things that he's ignoring right now. Here's what separates a surface dweller from an operator who's actually building something. Number 1 is route density. If they look like a scavenger hunt across town, you're bleeding time and fuel on windshield time instead of cutting grass. Excuse me. Number 2, pricing discipline, man. If you haven't raised your prices in years, come on. You're not being nice here. You are being unprofitable. And unprofitable people doesn't survive. So, you need to get through the program. And number 3, your boundaries. If you're still working for customers who don't pay on time, don't respect your time, or nickel and dime you, you're not running a business. You're running a hostage situation, and you're the hostage. See what I mean? So let's talk about why this matters. Here's the hard truth about the whole thing. You can stay a surface dweller for 10 years if that's your thing. Plenty of guys do. They just stay tired, they stay underpaid, and stay confused about why the business never grow, even though they never stop moving. That isn't about working harder, okay? It's about actually looking at your route, your pricing, and your customer list, making decisions instead of reacting to whatever comes in. So the guy who gets out of surface dweller mode aren't the ones who hustle more. They're the ones who stop and actually build a business. So ask yourself right now, if your day full because it's dense or full because it's scattered? Are your prices where they should be? Or are you scared to move them? You know what I mean? Are you scared to price them? Are your customers people that want or people you're scared of? You know, are you scared to lose your people? If you're a surface dweller, that's fine. You know, go ahead and do what you got to do. But every operator starts there. I have, and a lot of other lawn care guys have done the same. So the question is whether you're going to stay there or not. So let's talk about it, man. Drop a comment and tell me which one of these three routes, you know, either the route, the pricing, or the boundaries is hitting you the hardest right now. And if you want to get deeper on any of these, let me know. And I can make a video on each topic. You know what I mean? So guys, again, this is just opening your eyes. Remember, you are running a business, you know, and it's good to help people. It's good to be loyal to your customers. But the reality is, you are running a business and you need to be profitable. That's just the way things are. That's a reality. Your mower breaks down, your truck breaks down, you gotta have the funds to fix these things. You know, winter come, things slow down, you gotta have the money. And by you just charging enough to keep a customer, you're not gonna make it. This is why you're not growing. You need to be constantly looking and fixing your business. That's just the way things are. So guys, continue on watching. I'm cleaning up this place, just, you know, hitting up with the string trimmer, and then I'm going to mow it. But for this video, it's just a string trimming section. Guys, put your comment in the comment section and keep enjoying this string trimming montage. Peace.